Everything's off, right?
Yeah. IKEA bed.
We're supposed to make a list, but never mind. Oh, it's been a while. It's quite busy.
First time when you open like every weekend, like the long queue. There were long queues. The people were more than like 30
Lucky.
Impressive. Today is actually weekday, but there are many people.
Yeah. Did you lock the car?
Yeah, I looked the car. How to call IKEA? Many people today.
Yeah.
Okay, first thing we need to eat.
Starving.
나가는 곳 식당. Oh, nice.
Basically, 90% of our house is IKEA.
We're going entering.
I'm so hungry.
Me too.
The best thing is you get free refills.
I will have that drumstick. The best thing,
How can you come to IKEA and have a drumstick?
drumstick and then chicken steak.
You literally eat chicken all the time. Let's try something different. Veggie ones are quite nice as well. I can smell with the mask. The raspberry sounds nice.
I can smell it through the mask.
I can't. That's nice.
What is this for?
It's potpourri.
The toilet?
Oh yeah!
It can help to cover my
I
smell.
might get some later. Might get some later. I like looking at the houses.
This one nice.
Yeah, we'll look here just now. Let's go eat first.
Ah, yeah, we need to go restaurant. So hungry. Ta-da!
That is nice.
Oh, too many people.
This is nothing. When I came by myself, it was super busy. And it was a weekday. You should have automatic ones because every time
automatic
people's
one.
touching.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you want to put gel on properly?
No, I did.
I'll hold the thing and you can rub
Okay.
it in.
The meatball and
Meatballs are more like traditional in IKEA.
vegetable.
The veggie
yeah.
ones are actually quite nice.
But I like the fried chicken steak. That one.
So I think today I might go veggie balls.
Vegetable.
Yeah. And I might get.
No,
You might
have-
need to help me order.
Meatball. A meatball.
But I want to get the ratatouille. Oh no. Oh yeah. I want to get that one and the potato gratin.
Okay.
But you might need to help me order.
So vegetable.
Yeah, with the potato gratin.
여기. Mine. I like that one. 네. 여기요. Ah, this vegetable.
Okay.
Oh, my favorite part.
You literally eat chicken all the time.
Anything for you? Coffee? I will give some coffee. Which one?
Americano. Oh no, 2 espressos.
Just espresso.
Or maybe I usually have Americano and espresso. I can't remember which one.
Basically, we are coming to IKEA to eat. Every day you put some milk on the coffee. That's one thing you favorite from IKEA.
The coffee is quite nice.
Let's eat. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
You already finished. Full milk. Looks like a small minion. Baby stuff.
Yeah. That's so cute.
Do you want to go from the beginning?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't skip. Oh, they got
Nice.
yeah. I like these frames. Just pretend it's your house. If you ever want a fun day out, come to IKEA.
I don't think this kind of bathroom is practical.
Why? It is.
It doesn't look that practical.
Why? I'd like to buy this for my students to play with. Oh, I like these.
What is this place?
We'll have to come again. They're redoing, they're changing because new season's coming in.
Oh, nice. I like this kind of.
We call it gallery wall. This is what I'd like to do, but we can't put stuff on the wall. But we can stick some stuff up. Really? I really like the photo frames I bought in England are too heavy, I think. But I can buy like light ones. What if we didn't need a sofa bed? I would have bought that one.
Which one?
Comfortable. That's one.
I still remember we bought sofa here. That one.
This sofa's nice too. You can buy like a long back.
Why? This one nice.
I don't like low back. You can't lean back on them. It's my favourite part.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I love outside spaces.
My favorite part.
We wouldn't have any space to do that.
Baby one. When you have kids, we should buy the one for our kid.
It'd be nice.
I have mine. Small one, that's quite cute.
Where's mine?
You have sofa.
I feel like we need to get one of these. Actually, I bought the basket before, but it didn't fit.
Wow.
It's nice, right? It's really pretty. I do like these. And every time I see them, I'm like, oh, it's so pretty.
What is that for?
You can use it for anything. I really like them. You know what? I'm gonna get one. Every time we come here, I want one.
It's nice editing room.
Oh, I'd love to work in a florist.
Oh, no, it's really nice.
It's really pretty.
I like this.
That's what I would like to do, but I don't know how to put it on the wall in Korea.
Oh, we need to buy that one.
Oh, the floor.
Yeah.
I like these. You can actually put this in our room for more like, covered space.
No space.
Oh, the little London bus. I want to get one of these.
Double-decker bus?
Yeah. I'm living up to my stereotype.
Okay.
That's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give
in England. IKEA.